I don't know who want to hear this today, but if this video has come into your feed, that means maybe you are meant to hear this. So basically, yesterday night I cried through the sleep, and this has never happened with me like from last, I think, 2 3 years. I used to be in this space when I was going through emotional and mental stuffs back in while I was doing my job, and after I was going through the phase of transformation, and I don't know why yesterday again I felt the same kind of stuffs. And when I felt that, I was basically questioning my entire life. I was questioning about the profession I was doing, I was questioning about my financial thing, I was questioning about why am I doing what I'm meant to do, I was questioning about even this is all true, this is exactly what I'm meant to do. So I was questioning so many things. I was just soaked in that emotions, and I didn't even try to answer anything because I think I was not even able to handle it. So what I just did was, music is something that always helps me heal. So whenever I go through these kind of things, I usually listen to music. So I just plugged in my playlist that had some calm music, and I just plugged it in and I went to the sleep. And before I did that, I also journaled down everything that I was feeling. And to be frank, I don't even have the courage to go through what I have written yesterday. And I think I don't have to go through it, but there are the things that I know even I don't know I was feeling yesterday. So these are the things that happened with me. So basically, why I'm sharing my own experiences, because in our life we go through certain situations where we constantly question ourselves, where we question the path that we are on, where we question the entire journey that we are on. Because whatever I'm doing right now, it's not just built in one day or 2 day. It was built from last 3 to 4 years. Yet yesterday night I was questioning it. I was questioning it, asking that if that was really what I was meant to do, or if I was meant to do something else. And because I was not getting any answer to it, I was basically going mad. I was, I know right now I can laugh at it, but yesterday night it was so difficult to even think about how things are gonna look. And maybe I feel like the reason for me feeling all those things was because I was meant to share it with you all, that life does get difficult. You go deep down into that rabbit hole of questioning entire thing. You feel like you're just stuck, you don't see any way ahead of you. You just feel like this is it, now everything has ended, there is no way out from here. But the reality is, see here I am today, after that night which was very dark for me, but still here I'm making this video, smiling at the camera, and just understanding that what might have created yesterday's moment, what might have led me to through that experiences. And questioning that is making me feel relief and understand the entire stuffs. So you, if you are also currently going through these questioning phase where you are questioning your entire existence, then I know this phase might look very difficult, but still keep hope. Right now for me it is easy to cope up with it just within a day, but I have been in a space where you are all right now, where it took me months and months of time for me to really come out of it and just enjoy the life again. So don't worry, if you're in that situation, keep hope. One day you will definitely come out of it happy and transformed entirely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and also comment if you want to share something in the comment section. Thank you so much. Let's just keep living through this, because the light is just beyond that darkness.